expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sullivan, St. Cloud, and Japan. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri near exit 225. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Crawford County, southwestern Franklin County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:30